Hi, John Haynes with Haynes Stuff Properties, and today we're in Marysville to show you our newest listing. Before we head over there, I want to stop by my favorite barbecue joint outside of Texas. Let's go inside. Oh, would you look at that? They're sold out. Welcome to this quiet little neighborhood in North Marysville. Come on inside. Why don't you go have a look around while I get the fire going? This 2,400 square foot 4-bedroom home has been loved and cared for by the current owners. From its flowing laminate floors to its meticulously landscaped yard, you are sure to fall in love with it as well. So whether you're looking for a home to sit by the fire pit or just a beautiful home in Marysville, give us a call.